Hi, I'm Catherine Gorman, and I'm here today with Arundhati Singh and Kristen Kaiser. I feel like everyone had the same idea to come to the beach today, and it's going to be really pricey to get home now.
Yeah, with a crowd like this, surge pricing is probably in effect. Prices are going to be higher than normal.
But nobody's a fan of surge pricing. It sort of feels like you're getting taken advantage of.
I know it may feel that way, but in actuality, surge was created to ensure that we deliver reliability. Surge actually only kicks in when the number of riders looking to get home exceeds the number of drivers available. And what Uber tries to do in real time is to correct that imbalance by raising the price. For drivers, the higher price actually attracts more of them into the area to meet that rider demand. And as more drivers start to come into the area to meet that demand, surge pricing will start to come down.
And riders have choices in these scenarios too. They can wait for drivers to become available. Our prices update every few minutes, or they can share a ride with Uberpool for a lower price.
So do you guys want to wait it out and go get a cup of coffee?
Yeah, I think that sounds like a great idea.
I think the fundamental question here is if you know when big events are going to happen or when you're going to have a lot of demand, why not send drivers to where they need to be ahead of time?
So drivers don't want to be sitting around not earning. But there are things that we can do to deliver that reliability. Something we're working on right now is driver promotions. These help drivers plan ahead to drive during busy times and areas to prevent marketplace imbalance.
But how do promotions for drivers help Uber be more reliable?
Driver promotions are offered in advance to help drivers plan to drive in those busy times and places. For example, we have consecutive trips and we have Quest. With consecutive trips, drivers earn extra for driving in those really busy times and areas.
And with Quest, drivers earn extra for completing multiple trips over several days. The hope is that by carefully offering these promotions, we can encourage more drivers to get on the road to drive during busy times and in busy areas to meet that demand.
Got it. So the main focus is trying to bring balance to the marketplace.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's why we are constantly building new tools to bring that reliability to our riders and drivers.
Supporting a healthy marketplace for riders and drivers. That's what moves us.